Well, welcome everybody. I am Chad.
And I'm Leslie.
And we are the Wandale Family Adventures. Today we ventured to downtown San Antonio, and if you couldn't tell where we are, we're on the Riverwalk.
Fun fact, the very first trip Chad and I took together was here to San Antonio, where we took advantage of the nightlife and walked around here on the Riverwalk. That was 23 years ago. Yeah, and we got engaged shortly after that, and here we are 23 years later, still married. Yep. She hasn't pushed me in. It's well,
great.
The night's still young.
The night's still young. Yeah. Let's see what we can do about that. Let's go explore the Riverwalk. What do you say?
Sounds good. Let's do it.
We're on a boat.
We're on a boat.
You don't historically do well on boats, but...
I think this will be okay. There's not really any waves.
And we have shore all the way around.
Shore all the way around. I think I'll be fine. I hope.
I have sea legs. It doesn't matter.
I was born without my sea. Generally better.
Can't make me throw up. I've tried.
Yeah, great. So what's one of the Go Rio boats in San Antonio? So we're going to take a little riverboat tour down the canal.
So romantic.
Yeah. To us, it's a romantic cruise for 40. You can see there's the boat here. Sunset cruise.
Well, I think the sun's already technically setted, but
yeah,
still pretty. All the lights are starting to come on now.
Nice breeze.
All right, everyone, welcome aboard. The first thing that we're gonna do is wave at all of the people that couldn't fit on my boat. Hey, see y'all later, bye. That's because the boats, they're electric. If I see smoke coming from my boat, I'm gonna assume that my boat's on fire. It begins right here in the middle of the Arneson River Theater that was built in 1941. The seating area on the boat's left-hand side can seat between 500 and 600 people. And they'd be watching a performance on the stage on the boat's right-hand side, like the swimsuit contest in the movie Miss Congeniality with Sandra Bullock and Dolly Parton. They filmed the swimsuit contest on that stage for 3 consecutive days back in 1999. Okay, selfie mode, okay. Perfect. Now, before I can teach you about that tower, we first have to come underneath the lowest hanging bridge on the entire ride. This is the Presa Street Cast Iron Bridge, otherwise known as Don't Touch It. But if you want a free haircut, you can lean your head out of the boat just a little bit. I have a few gentlemen on board with shiny heads that don't need to do that. If you're okay. There. The next part of the tour is where this couple is taking a selfie over here on the boat's right-hand side. They are standing on Marriage Island. An island in the shape of a heart, naturally out of the cypress tree's roots. We have well over 400 weddings a year on that tiny little island. And over 2,000 proposals!
Hint, hint, nudge, nudge.
I think you got the idea. Look behind me one more time. Lit up behind us, you're gonna see the De La Rosa Street Bridge, or a bunch of metal. Those are locks, since this is the infamous Lovelock Bridge. It's said if you visit Lovelock Bridge with your partner and a lock, you write your initials and a sweet message on the lock, and then together you take the key and throw the key over your left shoulder into the river behind you, that you're destined to be together forever. Right after Valentine's Day, city officials estimated well over 10,000 locks surrounding all of Lovelock Bridge. Be aware that 4 of those locks were mine. So. They do not get enough attention at home.
Wasted away in Margaritaville. What'd you think of that riverboat cruise?
Oh, so cute.
It was a lot of fun.
Our skipper did a great job.
Yeah, it kind of reminded me of a quasi jungle cruise.
Kind of, except
She actually driving the boat. Yeah. And telling jokes and driving the boat. Bravo, bravo.
Great job.
It was great. But now we're hungry.
Yes.
And we've come to Ritas on the river. I'm starving.
And Ritas is margarita.
Yum yum time.
Okay.
What the heck did you just order over there?
I got the strawberry prosecco margarita.
That looks really tasty.
It's very, very tasty.
What's all this stuff right here? Mmm. Delicious queso.
The queso is dangerous. Mama's got tequila and prosecco and cheese. She's very, very happy right now. My tummy's happy.
That's how you take care of your women right there.
Yeah.
Cheese and booze.
If I ever am angry and just super moody, I need to get my attitude in check, just take me to a Mexican restaurant, give me queso and a margarita.
Yes, ma'am. We haven't even made it to our table yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, this is the precursor to us getting a table. We're just sitting here chilling, having drinks and food while we wait for the real food. Not a bad gig, not a bad gig.
Bad at all.
Let's eat.
See what we call pre-gaming.
So, how's this drink treating you? Because mine's kicking my ass. You in that same boat?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's because I'm hungry
Yep.
or if the drink's just really strong
Yep.
and the drink's really good and I'm drinking it faster than I probably should be.
And D, all of the above.
And D, all of the above.
Yep.
That's delicious. And
Yep.
so is the queso, which is now gone,
My
sadly.
queso is gonzo.
You see the tear?
Queso gonzo. We finally moved over to the salsa, and it's not bad.
And we actually got a table!
We ordered our food.
Yep, I got fajitas. What'd you get?
He got beef fajitas.
Yes, beef fajitas, cow fajitas.
And I got cheese enchiladas, cow enchiladas. What? I mean,
Cow juice enchiladas?
cow juice enchiladas.
Yes, I'll have the lactate enchiladas, please. That just sounds terrible. That might have been a bad idea.
Yeah, I need to stop drinking this.
It's well, they put the thing in it, and it keeps refilling itself.
Yeah.
So you keep drinking, thinking you're trying to get somewhere, and you're not
the
getting.
margarita, and then the bottle refills. And I drink the margarita, and the bottle refills the cup.
I think I've drank this thing 3 times now.
Feels like it.
It just keeps. But I'm not going to complain because it's delicious.
I just really need food.
So when you see $25 for margarita, it's fine because it's like 3 in 1. So really, it's only like a $7 margarita. So drink up and enjoy. $8
It's not a
margarita.
bad deal at all.
It's not because it's already like this camera's getting really heavy and it shouldn't be.
Considering the regular margaritas, which are half this size and don't come with the
Extra drink.
the extra booze, are $14, $13, $14, $25. This drink isn't a bad deal at
No
all.
joke, you're getting the best of both worlds and a little extra. It's been a beautiful night, man.
Lovely out.
We're right here on the Riverwalk.
The weather's perfect. Like I really want to take my fleece off, but
The camera battery in the gimbal went dead, so I'm using a handheld, so if it's not as steady, this is probably why.
it ain't helping.
It ain't helping, but it makes it a lot more fun. Oh, can I have kisses? Every day's an adventure with this woman right here. Best adventure of my life.
You're the adventure man.
That's our way of saying I'm goofy and weird and unpredictable.
You make the adventure worth adventuring. Yeah.
I love you. I can't wait till this food gets here. How was your dinner?
It's filling.
Mine was really good. I noticed your drink is only half gone,
Okay, but it's like
but so are you.
It's like 3 drinks in one.
I even had to stop, guys. I mean, holy, and I can put it down. Like, wow. You are Irish.
Exactly. You gotta be careful.
She's got to drink like she's Irish. Like, you guys don't even want to live. Yeah, it's like you hate yourself.
Yeah.
Dinner was good. Ritas on the river. Really good.
I'm gonna stop now before I get to where
You still have school tomorrow.
I start school tomorrow, and I don't want to accidentally fall in the river walk on the way back to the car.
Skinny pathways.
Very narrow walkways, no fencing.
And non-skinny Americans walking up and down.
Recipe for disaster. They said on an average day, there are an average, or they said on any given day there are an average of 7 people that accidentally fall in the canal.
I do not want to be one of them.
And on busy nights, like a Saturday night,
Usually about 3 times that number.
Triples, yeah.
That's nuts.
I'm gonna try not to be one of those.
No wet pants. No wet pants.
No wet pants.
The dinner was great. Dinner was great. We had a great time here. Food was good. Food is gone.
I only had 1.5 of my enchiladas and about half my beans.
I didn't even touch my beans. I ate all the meatloaf.
And about a whole jalapeno accident.
Yeah, and a whole jalapeno I thought was a bell peppers. And that was a spicy ass little jalapeno too.
Yup.
Cool.
You were burning for a little bit.
Normally jalapenos I can eat on their own, no big deal, but that one had some kick to it.
He was whining about it. I mean, he was talking about it for a little bit.
I was whining. I was like, I was doing the reverse suck.
Yeah.
It was or the reverse blow, whatever you want to call it. Like,
Reverse blow.
like I was biting into a pizza roll and it was liquid lava. Everybody's done that one.
Yeah.
It was hot. It was more like habanero than jalapeno. But anyway, food was good here at Ritas on the river. We're having a great time. I think we're going to go up to the top now.
Not bad. Went outside, but not so close to the walkway that everybody walking by is bumping my chair, which is kind of perfection.
Yeah, I think we're going to go up to the top level here in a minute and go check around some of the other stuff.
Yeah.
Because we've pretty much done the Riverwalk loop now. We're about to end it.
It's a lovely, like 62 degrees out.
It's comfy out here.
Wonderful.
Beautiful. Beautiful night with a beautiful woman. Let's go have some fun.